Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm dog sitting 3 little Great Dane puppies. There's one right there, one just went back there. And then a mom Great Dane, and then a big pit bull. You're crazy. There's the other kitty. Oh. Pepper. Hi, sweet pea. And, hey, no. Stinker. That's them playing. And they're huge. They're like 2 months old, but they're ginormous. They're like little ponies. And one big Great Dane. See, here's one over there. Oh, are you trying to get up? Come here. This is Naya. And then the dad is, I think he's a pit bull something. I don't know what he's mixed with. But yeah, here's one of them. This is Naya. Oh my goodness, you're crazy. And then over there, I forgot her name. And then the one in the corner is Dodger. And then back behind the couch that I'm sitting on is Bear. He's just a black one. He's just black, like plain black. And then the mom, which looks like Naya, kind of. But yeah, this is super fun. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, they're licking my hair. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. Ow. Hey, don't bite my face. Don't bite my face. No, no. No, no. Look, Naya. Look, Naya. Look, Naya. Oh my gosh. She's biting my chin. Look, it's you. Ow. Mwah. Mwah. Hey, be soft. And there used to be like, I think there was like 7 puppies last time I came. But they're keeping this one. They're keeping Naya. And they're keeping Bear. And then they are giving... Ow! They're giving the brown one, which is my favorite one, to one of the people that they work with. But my dad works with the lady that has the puppies, and her name is Erin. And they're adorable. I absolutely love them.
Is that what you came here for?
What are you doing? There's her. Hi, baby. There's Bear. Can't really see her. But there she is, and there's Mom. Hi. See, there's Bear. Bear. There's Mom. Hi. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. These puppies are pills. They're a handful for sure. They're not the easiest. I mean, like, they're fun and cute, and I freaking love them to death because they're adorable. But they chew on your face. So. But yeah, they're super fun, and I love them. They're all over there by Mom. This is my current situation. Oh wait, my camera's dirty, sorry, but I can't really clean it right now. This one's chewing on my hair, and this one's chewing on everything. Oh, now they're chewing on each other. Okay, let's clean the camera. Hi. Oh my goodness. Ew, yucky. And I have her on me, and I have Dad on me. He is huge. He's crushing my, ow, he's crushing my legs. He is literally gigantic. Hi, Naya. Get down. Look, I'll show you. Dodger. Hi, buddy. Look how big he is. Hi. He's all muscle, too. It's like not even fat. Hi, buddy. Lay down. Lay down. Oh, such a cute boy. Lay down. Lay down. No. Lay down. Ew. He licked my hand and now it's sticky. Lay down. Dodger, lay down. Lay down. Down. Dodger. Hi, buddy. Dad dog is licking me to death. Hi. Oh my gosh. He's half the size of me. And he's like a lot of pounds. Like, he's really heavy. He's like 100 pounds. Hi. Hi, Dad dog. Hi, Dad dog. Look, that's you. Dodger. Oh, okay. 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 What are we doing, boy? What are we doing? He's literally gigantic. Oh, you're so cute. Mwah. You okay? You're breathing really heavy. Oh! Oh. Hi, buddy. He's literally crushing my legs. He's so heavy, he's like going to break my knees. Like, I can't move my legs. That's as good as I can do. He's still sitting on my legs. And I have a puppy on me. Here comes another one. Yep, that one's coming too. Oh my goodness. My legs are dead. Literally, I can't fold them anymore. Holy crap. Hey, no, no. Dodger. That scared me. Be nice to your babies. Be nice. Hey, no. Hopefully the puppies will settle down soon. Bear is sleeping. Naya's laying down now, next to Mom. And the other one is laying down in the kennel, so that's good. And Dodger is just chilling with me. And Mom is over there on the floor. Here's a kitty. The other kitty's over on the other couch. Oh, hi. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. The things that happen while Baby! You just hit your nose on my phone. Are you okay? Oh my gosh, he hit his nose so hard. The things that happen while dog sitting. Holy crap. This is my current situation.
One, and once we started talking season 2, we went, but a shark is that's just an animal that's acting out on instincts, and so the next, what would something from this other world be that was actually sentient? And so
all 3 puppies are on me.
The mind flare.
The kitty is chilling with me. She's kneading with her paws. Do you see? It looks like it would hurt, but it really doesn't. Like, her claws aren't even sharp. Hey, kitty, kitty. Earlier, she was getting really close up to my face and like smelling it. It was super cute. But, hi, kitty. Hi. All the puppies are sleeping. 2 of them are down at my feet, and the other one's in its bed. And the mama dog is over there with the other kitty. And then daddy dog is behind this couch. So now that they're chilled down a little bit, it's like easier. Because earlier they were like climbing on top of me and biting my face and hair. So now my hair's all messed up because they've been chewing on it. But now I'm just chilling, watching Beyond Stranger Things because, you know, that's the life. And this kitty's sleeping on me. Oh, I guess she's not. Go sleep. Just trying to get comfortable. Oh, honey, there you go. Come here. Come here. There you go, sweets. I really want a kitty now. Because they're so cute. Freaking love them. So I'm talking quietly because I don't want to wake the puppies up. He's snoring. But all 3 of them are asleep. Mom and dad are asleep. Kitty's asleep. The other cat that I just had a video clip of, I feel so bad because I don't know if they're allowed to be outside. But I was letting the dogs in from going potty. And the dog just like snuck outside and like I couldn't catch her. And I feel really bad because I don't know if she's allowed to be out there. But I called my mom freaking out and she was like, she'll probably come back. Like, cats are smart, so.